Welcome back. Eliminate abdominal and flank fat in just 25 minutes with Sculpt Sure. Dr. Sonny O is joining us with more on this groundbreaking new FDA-approved laser technology. Very important. This is FDA-approved, one of the few in the state. How's it going with us? And tell us what exactly is Sculpt Sure.
Well, Tom, Sculpt Sure, as you said, is an FDA-approved technology. It's light-based or laser-based to treat fat non-invasively, and it permanently destroys fat cells without having to undergo surgery. So I'm very excited about this new technology.
Who is a candidate for this? I mean, you know, I'd like to take off about 15 pounds right now.
Yeah, wouldn't we all?
Yeah. So am I a candidate for this?
Absolutely. Yeah. I think a good rule of thumb would be if you can pinch an area of fat, and you know, a reasonably substantial area of fat.
I'm laughing a little bit. There's a little more than an inch. Anyway, go ahead. Yes, sir. Go ahead.
If you can do that around your abdomen or your flank or other parts of your body, then you are a candidate. And the reason you become a candidate is that it is a non-surgically based treatment. So it's non-invasive. There's no downtime.
Yeah.
No cuts.
No downtime.
No anesthesia.
Pain involved. No anesthesia.
Absolutely.
Which is, you know, we've got video right here of, looks like a lady's just sitting there having the treatment done, and she's texting away.
Absolutely.
And she's doing perfectly fine with it. When somebody comes in and talks with you about this, what is something that you tell them? You look at them and you say, well, maybe they need about 15 or 20 pounds that they would like to lose. About how much are they going to lose with this treatment? And do you need to do several treatments to get the total effect?
It depends on the individual. Sure. Certainly there are patients who are going to benefit from more than one treatment, and we have to really personalize it. So you know, it's essential to be evaluated to see which treatment plan is going to be right for you.
And with that treatment plan, we've got a before and after that's going on right now. You see on the left, that was before. Oh wow, that's a big difference there. On the right-hand side is the after effect, and she's slimming down nicely.
Absolutely, and it's a 25-minute treatment. I can't really emphasize that enough. You know, it is a short treatment, and then afterwards, you know, the patient can essentially go back to work, go to the gym. There's really no downtime associated with this.
No soreness?
Very minimal soreness, if any, yes.
Okay. A lot of ladies, it seems to be like, especially here in Mount Pleasant, they really are, they're into that vanity thing. They want to continue to look young, be young looking, doing a lot of different things. You've been an oral surgeon, a plastic surgeon here for a number of years, and you're doing more and more of this where you're doing some facials. Now you're into the sculpting as well. A lot of people are going for that, aren't they?
Absolutely, and that's the trend. You know, I think patients are looking for options, things that work but do not involve surgery or downtime. I mean, you know, surgery certainly is an excellent option, but some people, for whatever reason, you know, work schedule won't allow it, they don't have the time, family life. You know, options like this give them something which will effectively treat a problem area. And this is for both men and women.
Sure.
And then resume their life literally after they're done with the treatment. So, you know, some of this is in response to, I think, what patients are seeking.
And we've got some before and after right there. Wow, you can see a huge difference with that sculpting on the left. That was before. After, we're talking about six-pack starting to come out there.
Absolutely.
Yeah, that's really good. Can we talk about pricing a little bit?
Absolutely. And, you know, what we're wanting to do to kind of get it out there with the patients is we're going to offer some promotional pricing for patients to come in to be evaluated. And I think we're going to talk about this in just a second, but we want to have a patient who is lucky enough to win a free treatment once they come in after they're evaluated.
And they just need to give you a call.
Absolutely.
Okay, what is that number that they call you?
388-4939. That's the office to the number. The number to the office.
I've known Dr. Sonny O for a while. I had some skin cancer, and this is a little personal thing. A little skin cancer a couple of months ago, and my dermatologist said, I'd like you to go to a plastic surgeon. Who would you like? And I said, I want to go see Dr. Sonny O. Very relaxed, very easygoing, took care of it, and we really can't find out where the cut was.
You look amazing.
You're a great guy. Thank you. Stay with us. We got more coming up. Low Country Live in just a moment.